In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up real-time email alerts in Seeking Alpha. We're going to keep this simple and make sure you get exactly the alerts you want as they happen. Start by heading to Portfolios. This is the main hub where your tracked stocks and watch lists live. On desktop, you'll find it in the top navigation. In the mobile app, it's available from the main menu or bottom bar. Open the specific portfolio you want alerts for. This can be a real portfolio that mirrors your holdings or a watch list with no shares at all. A watch list is great when you're researching and want updates without committing capital. Inside that portfolio, look for alerts or notification settings. You'll typically see a bell or a small gear icon near the top right. Click that to open the alert options for this portfolio. This is where you decide the kinds of updates you want to receive. Now enable the categories that matter most to you. Breaking news keeps you on top of major developments like mergers, regulatory actions, or significant headlines. Earnings announcements will notify you about upcoming reports, actual results, and surprises, which is especially useful during earnings season. Price movements let you know when shares move sharply, helping you react to volatility or confirm momentum. Rating changes include both quant ratings and analyst upgrades or downgrades, giving you a quick read on sentiment shifts and data-driven models. Once you've chosen the alert types, select email as the delivery method. Email is ideal if you want a clear record of updates and prefer reviewing them on your own time. Make sure the email address associated with your account is one you check regularly and consider adding. Seeking Alpha's emails to your safe senders list so they don't land in spam. After that, save your settings. You should see a confirmation or a visual change indicating your preferences were applied. From this point forward, alerts for this portfolio will come to your inbox in real time or near real time, depending on the alert type and market conditions. One important note: alerts apply to all symbols in that portfolio. That means every company or instrument in the list will follow the same alert rules. For clarity and control, it helps to keep tickers that need similar alert behavior grouped together and use separate lists when your needs differ. That's it. You've set up real-time email alerts in Seeking Alpha, tailored to your workflow, without any unnecessary noise.